In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Claude AI internal server error. This message usually means something hiccuped on the server side, but in many cases you can still get back on track quickly. I'll walk you through the most effective actions, starting with the fastest. First, try a simple refresh or resend. Reload the page with Ctrl+R or Command+R on a Mac, or just press the refresh button and submit your prompt again. Temporary glitches are very common, and this alone often clears the error. Next, check whether the issue is widespread. Search for the official Claude or Anthropic status page and see if there's a reported outage or degraded performance. If there is, the best move is to wait. These incidents typically resolve faster than you'd expect. If there's no outage, clear your browser cache and cookies. Use Ctrl+Shift+Delete to open the Clear Browsing Data panel, choose Cookies and Cached Images or Files, confirm, then fully close and restart your browser. This removes corrupted session data that can trigger server errors. If that doesn't help, log out of Claude, close the tab, and sign back in. This resets your session and refreshes any expired tokens behind the scenes. Network settings can also cause trouble. Turn off any VPNs, proxies, or privacy relays you're using, then try again. If you can, switch to a different Wi-Fi network or a mobile hotspot to rule out restrictive firewalls or routing issues. To eliminate conflicts from extensions, open an incognito or private window and test there. If Claude works in that mode, return to your normal window and temporarily disable extensions like ad blockers or aggressive privacy and security tools, then re-enable them one by one to find the culprit. If your prompt is very large, reduce its size, break big requests into smaller parts, summarize long text before submitting, and avoid uploading very large files. Lighter inputs mean fewer chances for timeouts or processing errors. For those using Claude Code or the API, add a brief retry with a delay, confirm your API key is valid and active, and lower the requested token or output size. Implementing simple retry logic helps ride out transient server issues. And finally, if everything looks fine on your side, it may simply be a back-end blip. Wait 5 to 15 minutes and try again. A short pause is often all it takes to get you back to smooth, reliable responses.